What's the most racist thing you've experienced?
I think, in all honesty, the most racist thing I've dealt with is my interactions with police. And that's why I be saying to people that they don't understand is every time I've had an interaction with the police, I'm gonna be honest. Every single time, I think they searched me. You get what I'm saying? It's like an aggression that I just know you wouldn't have if I looked different. Like if I looked different, if I had a suit and tie and maybe I was white, you wouldn't have treated me this way. So you're not gonna pull over this businessman and do him the same way you would do me. My general interaction with police is usually they're in an aggressive manner towards me. I feel like.
There's been where I've been pulled over and I had my black friend in the back. One time they didn't even, like, they knocked on his window. I was like, wait, I was driving on the wrong side of the road. Now you're knocking on his window, because she literally was like searching him for weed. I mean, he was like shuffling around and stuff, but he's also black. I mean, it's one of those situations where I can't pinpoint it. I can't say, oh, that was racist. Exactly.